Beef and onion stir fry. Hey everyone, welcome back to Food and Fun. Today, we're cooking up something delicious, beef and onion stir fry. It's a quick and savory dish that's perfect for a weeknight dinner. I'm excited to share this recipe with you, so let's get started. But before we dive into the kitchen, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our mouth-watering recipes. Alright, let's start cooking. Cooking segment. Here are the ingredients you'll need for our beef and onion stir fry. 1 pound, 450 grams beef steak, thinly sliced. 2 onions, thinly sliced. 3 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. 1/2 teaspoon of minced ginger. 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch, optional for thickening. Salt and pepper to taste. Sesame seeds and green onions for garnish, optional. We start by cooking the beef until it's no longer pink, then adding the onions for that perfect crunch. Our savory sauce made with soy sauce, oyster sauce, brown sugar, and ginger adds incredible flavor to this dish. And there you have it, our beef and onion stir fry is ready to be served. Absolutely delicious. I encourage you to recreate this recipe at home and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this recipe and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your fellow foodies. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic recipes like this one. Thank you for joining us today on Food and Fun, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy cooking!